In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add countdown code to Kit. We're going to walk through the easiest option, which is using Kit's built-in countdown block. This method doesn't require any external code, so it's perfect if you want a clean, reliable countdown timer without messing with scripts or integrations. First, decide where you want your countdown to appear. Kit lets you add a countdown to an email, a landing page, or a form. Go ahead and open the editor for the one you're working on. If you're building a campaign email, open your email editor. If you're promoting a launch or a special offer, you might be doing this on a landing page instead. And if you're collecting leads for a limited time offer, you can also do this in a form. Once you're inside the editor, place your cursor on a new line where you want the countdown to appear. It usually works best near the top, above the main call to action, so people see it right away. Now look for the plus icon, sometimes called the content block menu. Click that plus icon to open up the list of available content blocks you can insert. From that list, choose the option labeled Countdown Timer. As soon as you select it, Kit will insert a countdown block into your layout. You'll see a default timer appear, and this is what you're going to customize next. Click directly on the countdown timer block to open its settings or pop-up panel. Here, you'll set the most important part, the end date. This is the deadline you want your audience to count down to, such as the end of a sale, a webinar start time, or the close of a registration period. Make sure you set the correct date and time, and double-check the time zone if that setting is available, so your countdown matches your actual deadline. After the end date is set, customize the visual styling so it fits your brand. You can usually adjust colors for the numbers and labels, and sometimes the background or border as well. Try to match your brand colors, and make sure the countdown is easy to read at a glance. Remember, this is meant to create urgency, so clarity is more important than flashy design. When you're done, preview your email, landing page, or form to confirm the countdown appears correctly and is ticking down to the right time. Once everything looks good, save your changes and your countdown in Kit is ready to go.